Would you like to know what children can do in cross stitch? If yes, keep watching. Hello my lovelies, welcome back or welcome if you are new here. I'm Maria from Maria Gusto Designs and I'm really glad you find my channel. In this video I'm going to show you what a child can do with cross stitch. I'm talking about my son who was 11 years old when he did this. Okay. Yeah. With like an Eva foam backing. This is on plastic canvas. Okay, and as you can see, it's not quite perfect, but this was his first own design, so he designed this. It's like a little Christmas decoration, mini Christmas tree, and he did it by himself, so I'm really proud of it. So as you can see, by 11 years old they can design their own pattern. I think I gave him a piece of paper and he just drew it by himself, colored it and used the colors what he drew, and he made this shape as well. When you cut out, you need to be a bit careful with the edging, especially here, because if you cut too close it's gonna fall off, but this one is all right. And you can use it as a tabletop decoration or put it on the Christmas tree. By the look of it, he used, let me see, I think it's the full, so 6 skeins altogether, and it's this big. Okay, so this was the first one. Okay, the second one, okay, it's not quite perfect. He was trying to do backstitching only, so he did these little lines. He was choosing the colors by himself and carry on. Okay, so this is his doing as well. So he designed how the heart looks like. Okay, yes, he still needs to learn, you know, how to stitch it properly, but the spacing is now perfect, so he knows exactly what to put and where. Maybe a tiny mistakes here and there, but this is for practicing. Okay, there you go. And here he used the full skein as well, so all 6 of them. So these are all, both of them are all 14 count Aida or plastic 14 count plastic canvas. There you go. Okay, and the last one, I taught him how to use floss cross, where I designed my patterns. And when he was 12 years old, last Christmas, he made me a pattern. There we go. This is his own design. So, mom's Christmas gift. Okay. And he made this gorgeous little Christmas tree with the hearts and everything. As you can see. Okay, and here is the pattern. And here is the color keys. Okay. I think I'm going to surprise him this Christmas, and I'm going to stitch this Christmas tree, and he can hang it in his room or we can hang it in the living room. But as you can see, they can design as well. If you let them try to use the apps, they can do anything they want to. And he used half crosses as well. So what I'm going to do, because it's full crosses and half crosses, I'm going to use I think clear plastic canvas. So with the backing, I won't be able to see, which is gonna be perfect behind here. Okay, because there are teeny tiny spaces behind the heart. But I think it's gonna be great, especially if I'm gonna put, I think, a felt maybe on the back, so it's gonna be nice and secure. Yeah. Oh, I just saw that because my name is Maria. Here, he made the gold M. So you can see his everything. You can see it better on the pattern. So there is a golden M. I didn't even realize. Oh, that's really cute. This is gonna be a nice project for Christmas in the evenings. Okay, what do you think? I think he did a very good job, especially so young. I think I was around his age when I started cross stitching, and he's much better at it at his age when I started it, definitely. When did you start cross stitching? You were young, or you started when you were an adult? Who did you learn it from? Did you learn from a relative, or did you learn from YouTube videos, or you self-taught yourself? If you have children, when did they start learning from you, or when did you start teaching them to how to do cross stitch? If you would like your children to start learning cross stitch, I suggest to choose a small pattern, not too complicated one, just like full crosses, like this big maybe, and just start. You can even start with one color, so just make the star first and teach them how to do the crosses, maybe on just a piece of Aida, to make little crosses first to practice, so they do all of the crosses in the same way. So left to right first, and then right to left again on the other side, and that's how they practice. And then they can do small patterns like this one. When you first started cross stitching, what was your first design, what you did? Okay, so there you have it, cross stitch for children or young adults. Okay, there you go. So what do you think? Because cross stitching is really relaxing time, it's really nice for children to learn how to do it, because they can calm down themselves by doing it, and you don't need to do a lot, maybe just a few stitches, and it helps a lot. That's why I'm doing it as well, in every evening or every other evening when I have time. I always stitch, even if it's just for 15-20 minutes, because it's so soothing and it calms me down for the night, and it's helped me relax and sleep better. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, so you will be notified when I'm uploading my newest video. And until next time, happy stitching. Bye.